So coming to my yeah current coming to my education background, I have completed my bachelor's from SBIT College, which is located in Khammam. Before that, I did my diploma and my in my hometown only. And coming to my technical skills, I'm very good in core Java and advanced Java and Spring. And coming to database, I'm very good in SQLs. And in my previous company, I have done a project called battery management system, and I'm served as a backend developer. And I can I used to get the data from the front end, and I have to store in the DB and get the data fetch, and I have to fetch and get data and all the operations and I did. And coming to my hobbies, I'm
Continue.
very I just love to listen music and uh, yeah and play and I just love to play cricket and chess. And my short term goal is to get a job in your company, and my long term goal is to get a good position good position like yours, where I can build my career and help the organization too. Yeah, that's all about me as of now.
Got it. That's a good thing. So, can you just speak something about the battery management system?
Yeah, it is a one type of application. First of all, I served as a backend developer. This project is about to get the details about the battery functions. And first of all we created a login page. So only if anyone wants to like any application, if we want any application, the user must be login. So first of all he have to register. So whenever he give the details, we have to store in 1 DB. So then after registration, the login page will be done. So we have to match both records, what he give as ID and password. If the login details is correct, then only you can enter the fa- zone page. So we have divided the application to three steps, like zone one, one application like that. So I served as a backend developer. If so, I have to by using by Postman, like I have to get the data and fetch the data and post the data. It's all about all operations are done. So
Okay,
that's it.
that sounds good. That sounds good. Okay. So, let's get into some sort of, some technical discussion. Okay. Are you comfortable with it?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
So, if I ask you to rate yourself on Java, okay. So, are you comfortable in Java or Python, or which one your base language? Java or Python, or which one?
I'm comfortable with Java programming language.
I say, okay, that's
Java programming. Yes,
okay.
Java.
Sure, sure, sure. Okay. My voice is clear, and then you can hear my questions, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, that sounds good. Uh, let's discuss something on Java. So, if I ask you to rate yourself in Java out of 10, how much do you rate yourself?
I will give my rate 7.
Okay, 7. That's good. So, do you also have some sort of knowledge in the frameworks? Any frameworks?
Yeah, I have a little bit knowledge on Spring Boot.
Good. Okay, that's good. So, let's get started. Okay. So, can you
Yeah,
explain me about what is a constructor?
constructor. Java constructor.
Yeah, the Java constructor. Yes.
Yeah, just is nothing but
Yeah, go on. Move on.
sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, sudden constructor. Constructor is nothing but two types of things. I was gone. It means suddenly I didn't remember. Sorry.
That's okay. No issues.
Constructor.
Okay. So, do you know the levels of access to a class? Levels of access like
Class,
public, private.
public, yeah, private, default,
Yeah. Okay. And
yeah,
what's one more thing?
public, private, default, and one more thing is there are four types: public, private, default, and another one is private default.
Tell me about what is exception handling.
Exception handling is nothing but whenever abnormal situations will happen, then we have to handle the situations. Whenever we are writing program, the errors or the error will be there. We have to exception will be came, so we have to handle that exception. Abnormal situations we have to handle.
Okay. Mm-hmm. That's good. Uh, do you know how to create your own type of exception?
Yeah, with I if I'm not wrong, I think with throw keyword we can create our customized exceptions.
Using throw keyword. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
What is the difference
Y-
between runtime exception and compile time exception or checked exception versus unchecked exception?
Yeah, the difference between checked exception and unchecked exception is that but whenever we are compiling the program, if the exception will be happen, it is unchecked exception.
Hmm.
So there are like arithmetic exception. Whenever the after compilation, the execution whenever execution happen, if there any exception will happen, it is called checked exception.
Mhm. Okay. Do you know how to create a runtime exception and compile time exceptions?
Yeah, yes.
How do you do that?
We can customize our exceptions with uh, adding new keyword with throws and whatever we have to give that exception name, we have to give that with that exception name. Throw new throw exception name. So
Hmm.
it is like our customized exception. We can create like that. We
Hmm.
can get in output
Hmm.
with that exception. If there any exception will occur.
Okay. So tell me what is inheritance?
Inheritance is nothing but it is main concept of OOPS. Uh, Superclass will provide each of its properties to each and every subclass.
Hmm.
Uh, Superclass in that process, we in superclass all its properties it will gives to its child class.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So why do you need
Inheritance
inheritance? Why do you need inheritance in OOPS?
because of to get the properties of our superclass.
Hmm.
Yeah. We can create multiple classes with the same property of superclass. So we can by using inheritance we can get the all properties, all the things to each and every subclasses.
Okay. So uh, what about how do you stop inheritance?
Sorry, how do we stop inheritance?
Yep. Of a class, how do you want to stop a inheritance?
If we mention extends keyword,
Hmm.
the inheritance will be passes to the subclass. If we didn't mention any extend keywords, it
Hmm.
will be not part of inheritance.
Noted. So what is the need of private classes?
With the extend key,
That's okay.
yeah, private classes mean we it means we cannot visible from another class. If we mention any private class, that belongs to only that particular class only. We cannot pass or inherit to any
Okay.
another class.
So that means that is how you stop the inheritance?
Yeah, that is also one thing. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know anything about private constructor?
Yeah, yes, I know private
So why do you need a private
constructors.
constructor?
Private constructor means, but because of uh, uh, data, we have to visible the data to not everyone. So we have to hide the information in the form of data.
Hmm.
So encapsulation will make use of hiding the data and will make use of all the information we can put in private constructor. So it cannot be visible unnecessary information to user.
Mm. Okay. Is it possible to inherit interfaces?
Written,
Interfaces.
yeah, it's possible by
Okay. So
using
mm,
instance
by using how?
by using one keyword called extends by using sorry multiple inheritance is also possible
No,
in
no. Not,
interfaces.
okay. Not about yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Continue, continue. Sorry. Continue.
Yeah, I remember that keyword name call, but suddenly I'm sorry.
Okay, that is fine, no problem. Can you have implementation in the interface?
That's the keyword called implements.
That's good. Implements is good. Can the next question is, can you have implementation in the interface? What is the interface first of all? Hello. Jayant, can you hear me? Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
No, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are now audible. I can hear you. So I asked the next question as what is interface? What is an interface? Uh, Jayant, I cannot hear you now. Hello?
So I think internet was lost. Hello.
Is it good now?
Yeah, yeah. I'm audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible now. You are audible. Okay.
Yeah, I
So
think internet was lost. I think so.
yeah, that is fine. No problem. No